Hello, 5th grade. We're on Domain 8, Native Americans, Lesson 14, The Ghost Dance. Our objectives are to explain the relationship between the U.S. government and the Lakota people. We're going to demonstrate the understanding or the use of underlining quotation marks and italics to indicate titles, and we're going to identify root words with 4. Our key vocabulary for today: massacre is the killing of a large number of people or animals. Reunite is to bring back together after a separation, and symbolize is to represent or be a symbol of something. We're going to go ahead and do our independently reading for today. Our word work for today is reunite. If they did this according to the Wovoka's vision, then the people would be reunited with their ancestors. Reunite means to bring back together after separation, and this is a verb. So today we're going to learn how to write titles for different types of books, or different types of works. So books, chapters, works, movies, etc. So if we're writing the title of a book, we're going to underline it if we're handwriting it. Or word process means we're going to italicize. Remember, italicize is when it's a little bit slanted. Word process means typed, by the way. For movies and titles, if we're handwriting it, it's also underlined. And if it's typed, it's going to be italicized. Works of art, underline and italicize. With chapters, we're going to use quotation marks. That same thing goes for short poems and songs. We're going to use quotation marks there. And that goes for handwritten or typed. Okay, let's do some practice with the prefix for. The buffalo was the blank source of food for Native American tribes of the Great Plains. The buffalo was the foremost source of food for Native American tribes of the Great Plains. Forgetting my luggage does not blank well for my trip. Forgetting my luggage does not bode well for my trip. We took a family picture with the children in the blank and the adults in the background. We took a family picture with the children in the foreground and the adults in the background. She had the blank to bring a coat, which was a good thing because it got very cold. She had the foresight to bring a coat, which was a good thing because it got very cold. She knew the material so well that she was able to blank the fact that she would get a good grade on her test even before she took it. She knew the material so well that she was able to foretell the fact that she could get a good grade on the test even before she took it. Your assessment for today is to practice your spelling words by writing sentences using the spelling words provided. And we will see everyone in our lesson 15.